Make sure they are cleared right now. Good morning. We're here just to check the status of the mortuary, the Kisii referral mortuary that we have been having, one of the best that in this region.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Narita, Acting CEO, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. As you all know, KTRH is a primary institution serving 8 counties within the Lake Region Economic Bloc. That is achieved through quality services, through research. We are all gathered today here because of the recent happening. In the last 3-4 days, there was an uproar about the status of our mortuary. Our intelligence that we have been doing since that time has pointed towards what I would call sabotage that was intentional to try and show our governor to be inefficient. However, we have taken that negative publicity positively, and we have started putting changes that are going to make a big difference starting today. So therefore, just to reassure our customers that the mortuary is back to its norm, and we have.
I also need to make around 2 comments and the immediate action that we have taken into line of what has been happening here. It's unfortunate that our own people in the mortuary, again I want to repeat what Dr. Marita has said, it was a sabotage. They had arranged, they could even switch off the coolers in the hospital intentionally. Then most of those cubes, I'm told, where one body is supposed to be kept, they have been putting even 3. People about 3. The people who have been passing away in our hospital here, they have been using, they pick with beddings and everything, put them into the machine. The worst of it is the police cases. The instances where police bring in bodies, and those bodies, all of you, that they cannot be operated on, they cannot be cleaned, they cannot be embalmed. Therefore, it has been costly that there must have been coming out a very bad smell. I've directed the CEO that the old mortuary, all the police cases, they'll be handled in the old mortuary. Again, I have information machines that is in charge of this gentleman. I'm told he was dumped in some bushes in one of the sub-counties, but now he's in charge of the biomedical. He will make sure, and I want to give directives, you must make sure there is no machine, even if it's sabotage, that will cause this mortuary not to be operating. Therefore, for the 2, again, even the old one, let us make sure that it's operating. I want to point out that I know the forces, nobody is happy on the changes. Yesterday night, I had information, they wanted, therefore I'm happy that the CEO took the necessary steps. And again, we want to get the information which we can verify. I don't know if our security apparatus, what they could be doing. Because if it's this kind of information, they will do it, and there will be an outcry. B1, only to paint Simba that Simba alikuwa anasema yeye nikaa hakuna mezima. Hizi zima hivi karibuni taendelea kuwa. What I've done, the two people who have been in charge of the mortuary, I've sent them away today. Because these people, again, they were being given money to clean the bodies. It's only corruption. You can imagine even they are getting money for the deaths here. And these people, nadhania wakati wao ilikuwa imefika. Therefore, I've instructed the daktari, hao watu waende nyumbani saa hizi tu. Hakuna biashara nyingine, wakwende. Let them go away. Of course, we have brought in, since we got this information, we have brought in some, again I want to state that this capacity of the mortuary is only 72. But I'm told the body is inside here, 120, it has been 200. Therefore you can figure out how strained we are. But I'm going again to ask the management and the board to look for more money. We want to see if we can use that facility to hold more bodies. And we want to see, you know, we don't want many people to die. But because we must die, all of us, we must be given, we must be accorded the respect, even the last respect, mpaka uzikwe. Sisi hatuishi kama wanyama. Therefore, I want to apologize to the families of those ones who were affected when they brought their bodies in here. I want to apologize. I want to assure them that we are going to rectify the mess as from today. And that's good enough. I know most of you are going to many functions today. Allow me to leave it there. But I've directed the national security personnel who are here, our security are here, to escort out those gentlemen before they switch again another machine. You know, they can easily go in and switch off. Therefore, that's why I'm asking the police officers, they go in, make sure they are out. Daktari, make sure watu wanabeba mizigo yao, wanaenda. Hakuna biashara tunapembelezana na wao hapo. Let them go. They can be employed elsewhere. They have been even stealing formalin. Ile dawa ya kuweka, and there is another person who was arrested here. Alikuwa anaiba dawa ya kuweka mili, sasa tukishinda anapeleka wapi? Mpaka body bags. Lakini nadhania huyo mlituma yeye nyumbani. Yeah. Lakini mliacha the mizizi ndio hii, because they were collaborating. Therefore the whole team must go. Walipwe waende. Ama vipi? Yeah. Yeah. Kwa hivyo wacha niachie hapa. But I want to direct again, we are getting back to normal. We are not going to receive more bodies because the mortuary is full. What I've done, I've again directed that we will waive, ask those ones who have their relatives who have passed away and they have been kept here, ambao wameshindwa kulipa, nimesema kwamba I will pay that one for them. Watoe miili waende wazike. Kwa vile daktari, tafadhali wakija wacha miili itolewe so that we can bring it back to 70. And I've directed you, madam, not more than 3. Kuna nyingi mpaka wakati tutafanya nini. But I'm told the lady who has come in, she said if a body is treated properly, hata ukiweka chini haiwezi haribika. Kwa hivyo that lady is an expert. Kindly give her the necessary support to enable her kufanya kazi. So sir, thank you guys.
Excellency.
Keep